कैंसलिम क्या है? कैंसलिम एक एक्रोनियम है जिसमें 7 स्टेप स्ट्रेटेजी से ग्रोथ स्टॉक को पिकअप करते हैं। इसमें फंडामेंटल टेक्निकल एनालिसिस शामिल करते हुए कैंसलिम का फुल फॉर्म है सी का है करेंट क्वार्टरली अर्निंग पर शेयर। कंपेयर दिस फंडामेंटल इंडिकेटर with the same figure from the previous quarter. If the figure grow by 20% or more, as a rule of thumb, the company is fundamentally strong. A. Annual earning. Compare this fundamental indicator from the previous year. If there's year-on-year growth, the company is fundamentally strong. If the year-on-year growth is by 20 to 25%, even better. And new product of service. Strong companies continue to innovate. That's what this letter is about. Checking if the company is continuously launching new product, service, or holding event. Supply. A fundamentally strong business should have a good supply and demand when it comes to its goods, services, and stock. Executive supply of share maybe reduce the value of the company. That's why it should always be scarce in the supply. Leader, the company should be a leader in its own right, either in or across the industries. Institutional holding, a value company will have higher institutional ownership, the percentage of which should always be tracked. Market trend, an investor must check whether the company or stock is growing or against the trend by comparing its to broader indices. क्लेंसिम स्टॉक को कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, इसके लिए एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाएंगे और जिसमें जो है स्क्रीनर की मदद से अच्छे से समझाने की कोशिश करेंगे ताकि आप अगर कैंसलिम स्टॉक को सर्च करना चाहते हैं तो अपनी काबिलियत बढ़ा सकें।